am I thinking about for your concepts?
I was just going to ask that.
Bottle, but you're also the product inside.
We're the product and the bottle itself. So we're getting rid of plastics. It's all going to be glass. They're going to be able to fill it up, selling it by the ounce, and then from there they can come back.
Who else is doing this?
I mean, a fusion of all of it. Only Bloomble. That's the greatest thing. Like a fusion between the apothecary, right, the naturopathic pharmacy, and the refillery. Nobody that I've seen is actually out there doing it in the fashion that we're about to kind of take this on. Cool. So yeah, that's why I'm really excited, because you guys have a ton of residents here. Yeah. We're going to be having the products that they're going to be using on an everyday basis. They don't have to worry about where it came from, because we'll have the FDA sheets. It'll be organic. It'll be all natural.
No THC.
No cruelty free. No THC. There will be cannabinoids in there, but it's a fusion of all different medicines. So it's a minor speck on the full spectrum of things that we'll be offering.
Do you have a website by chance?
We do.
What is that?
It's Bloomble.com. Naturopathic pharmacy, so to speak. So we're gonna have a bunch of different types of medicines.
By the way, I love that term.
Oh, dude, so do I. I mean, we're already working with one of our really dear friends, Travis. He went to school for naturopathic medicine and homeopathic medicines, whereas we're going to be able to have consultation rooms, right? The biggest thing that I grew up with was the loss of my father, who had to deal with the complications of pharmaceutical drugs, right? So we want to kind of do the same like path of prescription, but more on a natural side. So if somebody's dealing with kidney issues, back pain, we have the specific ingredients and we can formulate a specific product for them, and we can measure their alkalinity, we can measure their blood pressure, we can measure all those things and see how they're progressing along the way of actually doing the consultation with one of our managers at the store itself.
Now, I have heard of natural pharmacies.
Right, of course.
Now, but you don't see that many of them.
Right.
Are you looking to do some of what they're doing?
So that's the best part. When I looked at this industry, I really saw a bunch of like one-offs.
Yes.
And so when I went to my investors and my newfound partners here, I was telling them, guys, there's nobody that's absolutely dominating this space. We can come in, build 25, 30 different franchises, and really come out as leaders, because there are only so many people actually doing the damn thing.
Right.
And that's what really got them as excited as I was excited.
We mean kind of on the ground floor.
We're on the ground floor. We can build it out to have the infrastructure and really kind of have no competition virtually.
So what kind of you mentioned private rooms for consultation stuff. Right. What kind of build out? How many like private rooms?
I mean, it would only be like one room. I mean, I don't even think it would have to be bigger than this room, to be honest. Probably half the size of this room, just one room. Okay. Yeah. Well, we're starting to paint this week, and then furniture will come in inside of the next week and a half, and then we're gonna have to do a little bit of the electrical work. Then the ingredients are still gonna have to come in.
And so this will be your second location?
This will be our second location.
That's what we like to hear.
Yeah. And you're thinking 20 in the front range?
20 in the front range. What does that
No,
mean?
how many units on the front range?
Oh, as far as how many we're going to build out, we're talking about like 25 inside the next 18 months.
25 units?
25 units.
In the next 18 months?
That's the plan.
Okay, so we'll go back, pop our head in.
Cool.
And then we'll regroup.
Sounds good.
Alright, so we're on the way to Target super quick. We're gonna grab a diffuser for the first retail spot, and we're gonna see what we get. A little essential oil vibes in the store, so you guys are refreshed every time you enter. Hopefully Target has what we're looking for, so we'll see.
Just like a regular, like, ultrasonic $30 this thing.
I mean, that one looks good.
Yeah.
Which one should we get? I don't know. Whatever makes sense.
It's gotta be white. I mean, this brown looks decent, so. Money just taking care of me, girl. 300 milliliter capacity.
I mean, as long as we can put our own oil in it, like,
I was just
I don't know.
thinking, like, what I'm looking for is, like, this only says 400 square feet, so I honestly should get 2.
And then just put them on opposite ends of the store.
Yeah.
great idea. What do y'all think? Leave it in the comment section below.